Hello everybody. Today we're just going to briefly discuss Canvas. This is going to be your whiteboard software to annotate on the screen. To start off here, once you've done annotated or wrote anything you want, you can actually export it, save it, Google Drive, and share it with the students. You have your basic pencil, paintbrush, highlighter, just a couple other utilities. You can actually adjust the size of your pencil here. You can use your fingers or you can use the pens as well. So if I click pencil, I just write. You can switch between the pencil and you can erase, or you can use your hand and actually erase it as well. If you insert objects or pictures into here, you'll be able to move that around, or if you make a mistake, you can go forward or back. You can insert pictures as well, and then you also have background images to where if you had a basketball court and were drawing plays up, or a football field, you can insert those backgrounds as well. You also have text. You can insert text. You can insert stamps. Math tools. So you've got actual ruler. You can move that thing around. You have protractor. You can move that thing around. Just fit. You have a calculator with graphs. You have shapes, various shapes, different sizes, thicknesses, and of course, obviously the outside thickness, just like previous. You can actually hide everything as well, to where classes are coming into class, you hide what's on the board. You already have everything pre-written out. You can actually reveal what's on there as well. Here is where you can add more slides. So if you're done writing here and you wanted to save this, you would just add a new slide, and I'd be able to then transition between the two. If you wanted to delete a page, you would just click here and click delete. But that's pretty much it, guys. There's a lot of other features too that I'll discuss later on, but this is just the basics of how to use Canvas and annotate. Thanks, guys.